Hey. Hey, baby. Yeah. I've had better days, that's for sure. This cough is killing me. Ugh. I hate having these summer colds. Ever thought I chose to work in a daycare? I was sorely mistaken. Those kids are cute, but they're biohazards. They mean biological warfare like it's nothing. I'm pretty sure one of the little boys coughed on me. And thanks to that, I have this nasty cold and even a nastier cough that I did not even ask for. Oh, you made dinner already? Oh, how sweet of you. You didn't have to do that, though. Oh, how did I get so lucky with you? I feel absolutely terrible. I can barely even breathe out my nose. Like, one nostril's clogged and the other's just like running a lot. I have a migraine. And I don't know if it's like a cold or a mix of like my allergies, because I'm like allergic to dust a little bit and pollen. My eyes are a bit itchy and watery, so it could be a mix of both. And this scratchy throat and and yeah, this nasty godforsaken cough. That's the one thing that everyone hates about sicknesses. Even after you get better, the cough always lingers. I'm not even sneezy. Like, I don't even sneeze. My nose is so stuffed up, I can't even, like, sneeze unless if, like, I induce it. And all of this nasty gunk going down my throat just makes it even worse. Coughing that up is so disgusting, but it helps your body get rid of all that nasty shit in your lungs. Well, thank you for, making soup. I appreciate it. Ooh, Ginger lemon honey tea? Oh, my favorite. You know me so well. Help me get rid of this cough. Oh, you got those honey lozenges. Ugh. This tickle has been nonstop. Like, the tickle gets worse in my throat. Like, I cough and then I, like, gag. It feels stick to my stomach. I hate that. Feeling when you cough so hard and then it makes you just want to vomit. Ugh. I need another tissue, please. I don't know why I'm wheezing so much. I breathe in a lot of secondhand smoke. Especially for majority of my life. My family always used to smoke around me, so I don't know if that's not making any lost found effects. Ugh. Ugh. I wish I could just sneeze, but I can't. Maybe I will. But my nose is just so blocked. Why are you patting my back? Oh. Thank you. That helps to ease like a person's cough or whatever. Wow. I didn't know that. Thanks. When I was sick, my parents never really did that. Pat my back to ease my cough. Well, they never really didn't. Like, take care of me when I was, like, sick. They were very distant people. Very distant and interesting people. But it's okay. How many tissues am I going to use today before my nose gets satisfied? I've really been thinking about it, like if I should resign my job at the daycare. Little kids are the worst when it comes to sicknesses. I swear, I can't be mad, but they don't know how to cover their mouth when they cough or sneeze. Ugh. I'm a bit of a germaphobe, but I love kids dearly. I just can't be around them when they're sick. because then this happens to me. Ugh. If anybody's hiring at the company, I would gladly take a spot. Just let me know. Oh, good Lord, my throat. Ugh. I think I might take a shower, get some steam to loosen up all this filthy gunk in my throat, and then breathe in some steam, get the humidifier going, and I might call it an early night, and then take a couple of sick days. I can't stand to be around those little germy gremlins. Ugh. Thank you, babe. I really appreciate you. Hey, what are you doing? I don't want to get you sick either. I have this nasty cough, and I know you have bad asthma. I don't want you to get sick, and then your asthma makes it worse. Yes, I know my cough sounds horrible, babe. I know. Maybe I might go to the doctor tomorrow to see if, I have, bronchitis or something. And maybe get a test to see if I'm asthmatic or anything from all the secondhand smoke or whatever. Ugh, I'm so exhausted. Ugh. Okay. I am gonna go drink the soup, take a shower, and head to bed. If you want to sleep with me tonight, that's fine. But if you want to take the couch, I suggest you take the couch because I don't want you to get sick. I know you have asthma. And I know your asthma is pretty bad. So, I don't want you suffocating to death because of me. Ugh. Well, I am gonna go and take a shower. Now, thank you for the soup, baby. I really appreciate it. I love you. Thank you for being such a wonderful boyfriend. I almost forgot. Air kisses and hugs. All right, babe. I'll be back. I love you. Thank you. Ugh.